Hi, I'm Jordan from Crewe Volkswagen, and today I'm here to show you this used Ford Tourneo Connect. It is a diesel manual and it is in this brilliant blue colouring. Now on the front of the vehicle you have got the halogen headlights with chrome bezel surrounds. This just breaks up the blue colouring and matches the other chrome detailing which can be seen on the front grille. Continuing down the side, you have got the black window surrounds and even the rear privacy glass. Now this not only adds to the look of the vehicle, but it also keeps any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot super safe. Also, this car comes with two rear sliding doors, which it makes for easy access to the rear of the vehicle. Another exterior feature which should be mentioned is the 16-inch alloy wheels in a 5-spoke premium silver colour. Again, this just breaks up the blue exterior colouring as well as complementing the chrome detailing to make for an eye-catching vehicle. Now taking you around to the rear of the vehicle and showing you the boot space included, as you can see there is tons of space available, making it ideal for transporting large objects. Now if you do need any extra room though, you can fold the rear seats forward to create an extended boot. Moving into the rear seats, and you can see they're made out of a full grey cloth upholstery. This adds the stylish look to the interior while also providing the utmost comfort for the rear passengers. You've also got the middle seat which folds down to create an armrest as well as cup holders, just adding an amazing feature to complement the rear passengers' experience. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have got your multifunction steering wheel as well as main infotainment display which can be found on the dashboard. And just like in the rear seats, you have got the full grey cloth seating, but now in a sportier style. This just adds to the overall look of the vehicle and also provides comfort for both driver and front passenger. The main focal point of the interior though is the panoramic sunroof, as it allows so much light into the vehicle. Showing you some of the high-tech features included, and starting with the multifunction steering wheel. This way you can control different aspects of the car and all that even needing to take your hands off of the steering wheel. You've also got your cruise control options. Now this allows you to set and limit your speed, making them long motorway journeys more enjoyable for the driver. Just above your steering wheel you have also got your driver's display, and this is where any relevant information the driver will need to know will be shown, such as the current mileage which is now at 25,176 miles. You can also change the displays and features included on your driver's display by using the multifunction steering wheel. It really does tailor the whole experience to the driver. Now moving on to the main infotainment display which can be found on your dashboard. This is where all the main features of the car can be found. Now one of the features included is the DAB, FM and AM radio stations. This gives you a huge range of different stations and covers every type of genre of music. This car also comes with a Bluetooth telephone connectivity. Now this allows you to seamlessly connect your phone to the vehicle to make and receive calls, and all that even needing to pick your phone up. Continuing down your centre console, you have got a wireless charging pad as well as a dual climate control. Now the great thing about a dual climate is that you can adjust one side of the vehicle without affecting the other side, so it's completely tailored to both driver and front passenger. Also, because the settings are on the centre console, it means driver and passenger have ease of access. Continuing down your centre console again, and you will be able to see you have your cup holders as well as a 12-volt charging point and even immediate input. And this car also comes with a spacious centre storage with another 12-volt charging point.